I was able to identify the source of my anxiety and depression and learn tools to address them and carry them back into my life back home. I was thinking that there was a certain definition of success. And to me, that definition of success included chasing a lot of money to be successful, to be a business owner. I found quickly that my personal relationships were deteriorating. That led me down a pretty dark path of anxiety and depression. I felt very lost. For me, it was the final ceremony where I achieved the most clarity. And what I had learned in this experience was, in order to be a better son, a better older brother, a better boyfriend, I knew I needed to learn to love myself first. Loving myself first was the first step, and it's really the key to really fostering and rebuilding these relationships with my loved ones that I care about so much. This experience is truly life-changing, and I definitely recommend it for people who are lost and trying to figure stuff out. This is a great place to start your journey.